Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys could tell from the title of the video, we got a new part for the 350Z. You guys can see, you guys probably can guess already what's missing on the Z. If you guys can't tell, we're missing a front bumper, so you guys know what we need. Yep, we ordered this front bumper from Z1 Motorsports, but it's not just any bumper. You guys are gonna like what I got. Let me just open this up so you guys can see. Might have to put my phone down. Let's get this. It's a lot of packaging for this bumper. Ooh, almost fell. Boy, what are you doing right there? My partner crying. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna open this up. They ship it in a huge box. Obviously, I want to make sure, especially when you're spending this much money on a front bumper, you definitely don't want nothing to go wrong with it. But as you guys can tell, what we ordered. But if you guys didn't know, we got the 350Z NISMO front bumper OEM or OE from Z1 Motorsports. This thing cost about $1,100 plus shipping. You're looking around $1,400 for this front bumper, which is a lot, not gonna lie, but this is the best quality, the best you can get in the market. You could go with a cheaper route like the KBD, I think it's called, front bumper for the NISMO version, where it's kind of similar to this, but I think you're just missing like these grills or whatever that they come with. You don't have anything in the center, so it's kind of just open. And I think it's more flappy on the bottom lip. It flaps a little bit more. You're more prone to like crack it. But this one, like I mentioned, basically close to OEM. So that's the reason why you're paying that big price on that front bumper. It's gonna fit like OEM, and you just can't go wrong with a front 350Z NISMO front bumper. Like, this thing is gonna look clean. So like I mentioned previous videos ago, we're gonna get this Z looking right. I gotta get myself a new windshield washer reservoir. We're gonna get some new wheels. We're gonna get the car repainted, guys. So this is the reason why I got this. We're gonna pick up some fenders, and then yeah, we gotta get the whole car repainted, unwrap the roof, so that way we can get the roof painted as well. And yeah, you guys, let me know, should I paint the whole car white or should I black out the roof? And sorry if you guys see all this. We had a little like family, I guess, get together here in the garage. But yeah, we're gonna repaint the whole car, fix some of the rust you guys can see in the quarter panels, and just make this thing look really clean. But let's test fit this. I just want to test fit it. So we're gonna test fit this right now because I'm very excited. As you guys can see, I haven't bought parts for the Z in a while. So, and I can't wait to already see how it looks. It's gonna look very aggressive, especially you guys already know I'm rocking the Cybon carbon fiber hood. It's a little bit dirty, don't mind, with carbon fiber eyelets for the headlights. Got the Z1 intakes. So yeah, let's just test fit this. We're talking too much. Yep, this thing is filthy, but don't worry, we're gonna get her looking right, little by little. Test fit these bumper. Guys, look at that. Obviously it's not screwed in or anything. Obviously it's loose right now. We don't have anything holding on to it, but damn, that thing's gonna look really clean once it's repainted. That thing's gonna look sick. Like, I can already tell it's gonna look fire once this whole car is repainted in white. Some new wheels, upgraded brake calipers. I mean, come on guys, you can't go wrong with the NISMO front bumper. It looks way more aggressive than the stock 2007, 2008. Yeah, that's aggressive. That thing is crazy. Alright guys, I'm about to turn this thing on, but before I turn it on, let me open the door. This thing is kind of dirty, but oh well. So, what we're gonna do today, but before I even start talking, let me turn on this car. Nice little cold start. But what we got going for today, I'm gonna take it to a body shop, and damn, this thing is loud. So what we got going is that we're gonna go take it to a body shop and get a quote, and most likely leave the car there. Trying to get a quote for my front bumper and my 2 quarter panels to get redone, because you guys know that it has rust, and yeah, you just need to cut that and weld some new metal. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Hopefully I get a good quote and, you know, get this thing looking right. After that, we can get some wheels and start making this car look clean again. And I gotta still order all the hardware for the front bumper, so that way it's not like all like sagging. I mean, it's not even sagging, but just to securely have the bumper secured onto the car. And I'm gonna do that once I get the bumper repainted and 2 quarter panels fixed, so then that way I can, like, because I didn't want to buy it and connect all the hardware pieces for it and then have to take all of it off and potentially break it. You know, once I get this bumper repainted and put it back on, I'm probably not going to be taking it off like that. So let's just see, we're going to take this thing out. Now I just gotta wait for my ride. But yep, we're basically gonna get this done, and hopefully the Z should be looking clean next week. She said it takes about like a week because they gotta weld new metal stainless steel on the quarter panels and do all that good stuff, sand it down, paint it, and then we gotta get the bumper painted as well. So now I'm just waiting for my ride. That shit's louder now.
Yeah. Which way should I go? That way? That way, the fastest way.
To my house, just straight.
Straight?
Literally straight.
Okay. The timer sucks.